Hello YouTube. Today I got a very popular knife right now. You see this everywhere on the secondary market. This is the CFK Custom Knife Factory Evo 4.0. So it comes in the same pouch as the other Evos do. Nice compact design here. Nice flicking action. Good lockup on this one. This is just the plain Jane version. There is a DLC coated blade and PVD coated handle version available as well as a satin blade with a PVD coated handle. And also new is the Tonto version. So they have an Evo T now, which is a little bit bigger, I believe, than the Evo 4.0 here. And you get a spec card here with it. It's a designer. It also came with some extra hardware here. S90V on this one. And there's the plain Jane version, so you just got the satin finish handle. Overall length on this guy is just under 8 inches. Let's see, let me get on my ruler here just to make sure. Yep, just under, about seven and a half or so. Blade length is, I think, just under 3.5 here. Yeah, I would call it about 3.5 on the blade length there. And I do have an Evo 3.0 here, so let's get that out just to compare sizes here. When these first came out, there weren't a ton of comparisons on size, so I just want to give you a head-to-head here. So I got the plain Jane and the 3.0 as well, and as you can see, they are very close in design, but definitely different size there. Put it back to back here. Also, one thing I wanted to do is just get a quick weight of this guy compared to its big brother here. So let's see. As you can see there, this one is 4.7 ounces for the 4.0 here, and the big brother here is 6.3. So I mean, there is a good substantial weight difference on these two. This is a very pocket-friendly version of the famous 3.0 here. It's about the size of the 2.0, but I think a little bit smaller even. Action on this is okay. It's definitely not as drop shut and guillotine as the big one, but you would expect that with the the size difference in the blade, the weight difference in the blade. It's just kind of physics there. So you can see how nicely that one closes. And this one, it was a little stiffer at first, but you know what? It is really starting to come shut with a little bit of a wiggle there. I cleaned it up. Put a little lube on there again. And the action's breaking in quite nicely. And one more thing I just wanted to add here is I got a chance to pick up a Evo 2.0. So this is the Evo 2.0. I actually sent off my 4.0 and someone is enjoying it somewhere else, but I will say there's a significant difference in the action. I mean, the action on this thing is so much smoother than the 4.0. It's not just the, they're not exactly the same size, but they're very similar sizes. So you can see this one just drops shut and it's very smooth on the way down. It is just beautiful. So I really think they kind of took a step back with the design of the 4.0. I don't know if they're using different materials or if they're sourcing materials from somewhere else, but it's not nearly as smooth as this guy. So just another note. I don't really carry this or cut it very much just because I'm not sure if I'm keeping this one, to be honest. And I actually just sold this one, so I just want to do a quick review before I let it go. Yeah, just not super impressed with it. It's not a bad knife, but if you're getting a pocket axe, the 3.0 is just a good feeling version of this, and it's a good size. It's not the most pocket friendly, like I said. This one is way more pocket friendly, but just didn't do it for me. So I'm letting this one go. Hopefully the next owner enjoys it a little bit more than I did. It is a good knife, just not for me. So as you can see, the centering is perfect on this thing. Build quality is excellent. Really not much difference from the 3.0. Just think that, you know, I like the big version. So just do a little size comparison here too. So this is your PM2. Let me see, another knife I can get is a bug out here. And you got your bug out here. So, you know, this is the full size bug out. So it's about the same size as a bug out, a little smaller than the PM2. So like I said, very pocket friendly size. And just for reference, here's a golf ball. Just in case you don't have those two knives, you probably have a golf ball somewhere. If I had to give this one a, you know, numerical score, I would say, you know, I would say a 7.3 on this one. Just not doing it for me size-wise. It's good pocket size, but the action's not as good as the 3.0, the big brother. And yeah, S90V blade, excellent knife, just not for me.